users remain concerned about the security and privacy of their personal information online. This can range from serious concerns over identity theft to more mundane concerns, such as an aversion to receiving marketing phone calls, all of which make users reluctant to hand out personal information. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 731 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Explain why the phone number field is required. During testing, we saw users hesitate or give fake phone numbers at checkout because they felt it was too personal. This can break their trust and make them less likely to complete their purchase. This user checking out at Apple skipped the phone number field, preferring to avoid providing this personal detail, but received an error message because it was required. When users feel forced into something, some will respond with creative ways of getting out of the request. For instance, this user typed in a fake number when required to provide a phone number by Amazon. To alleviate privacy issues and the issues associated with fake phone numbers, sites should clearly explain why a phone number is required and what it will be used for. Through multiple rounds of checkout testing, we've found that explaining why a phone number is needed can ease most users' privacy concerns. For example, Verizon clarified the purpose of collecting details like phone numbers and email addresses during checkout. Crate and Barrel explain how details such as email address and phone number are used, which can help convince users to provide them. Checking out at American Eagle, this user appreciated the explanation detailing how the phone number was used to verify the credit card payment. Although less common, we've seen users hesitate when asked for details like date of birth or gender. Any information that feels irrelevant, unnecessary, or invasive can make users question if proceeding is worth the effort or risk. Our study of 1,012 online shoppers shows users are often reluctant to share personal details. While it's expected for highly sensitive info like social security or passport numbers, many are also hesitant to provide date of birth or gender. On a previous version of Etsy's desktop site, a rather not say option was included for the gender selection. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your user information inputs, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.